People think their skin barrier is damaged, but in reality, it's usually just confused. If your skin won't heal no matter what you use, this is probably why. Most people treat skin barrier repair like an emergency. They will switch products constantly. They will layer actives. Then they try to seal everything in when irritation shows up. The problem, though, is that skin doesn't respond well to these mixed signals. When exfoliation and actives and frequent product changes overlap, the moisture barrier cannot stabilize, even if these products are good. Skin barrier repair isn't about doing more, it's about doing less consistently. The skin needs repeated exposure to barrier supportive lipids, not constant correction. If you want help simplifying your routine without guessing, I have a free barrier reset guide linked below.